Hey, what's up? Origami Master 2.0, and today I'm going to be making a tristar Ninja Star 3 blade. I haven't been videoing for a really long time. It's 2020 now. The last video that I made was in 2018, and a lot has changed. I've got colored paper, more tape, and sorry I haven't been videoing for a long time because, it's kind of hard to do that with 2 dogs and 5 siblings, but anyway, time to get to work. So, we can thank my grandfather for a red, orange, and yellow Ninja Star. Anyway, so we're going to start out by folding like this. I'm going to keep on creasing this line right here. I'm not going to lick it like I did last time, because that's disgusting. I don't know what kind of chemicals are in paper. So I'm going to fold it like this. And if you crease it enough, you can tear it. So there you have this. And you have this. So you're going to take that. You're going to fold this line and make it meet this line. So there, you have that. I'm going to fold this along here. Shh, Austin, I'm making a video. Fold that. Austin, can you turn it down? There. Alright, you're gonna fold this to make it meet this line. See there? And then where you see this thing right here, you're gonna fold this. And then what I would do is start folding like that. And then fold from that line. See, this is kind of a hard part. And you're gonna make those two meets. You can even understand it. Then you're gonna fold this all around. And then fold this down. There you go. And then you can make a pause in this video. So, Alright. So you're going to take this. Alright. And tuck it in. It's kind of messed up, don't worry. Now remember to subscribe and like if you think it's cool. And thank you for watching.